Hi. Several surveys from the recent years on internet security indicated very clearly that most of the users find the network less trustable for business and for social activities. Hi, I am Dror. I am the CEO and co-founder of Intelici, and we believe this is the time to change the way cybersecurity is being done today. Cybercrime numbers are growing everywhere, and this is the indication for the growing gap between the defenders and the attackers. The gap is not only on dollars, it's also on the detection time. According to Gartner, today, these days, it is 7 months. Cisco annual cyber report 2 years ago find the cause for this growing gap. What they found is most of the solutions are located on the edges, once on the end user network or on the clouds. No one is really taking care over the attack infrastructure, which is the network internet itself. No one is taking care about that. The numbers here, the bandwidth utilization over the internet telling us the whole story. 1/3 of the bandwidth is wasted over malicious activities. And you can see in 10 years how much it's grown from 3% up to 30% in 10 years. Again, we are Intelici, and we invented a new type of dimension for cybersecurity. Based on propagation analysis, we are able to analyze each one of the objects over the internet. And by doing so, we can build their own propagation analysis. As you can see here, for example, the blue dots represent legitimate object over the internet, while the red ones, the cluster dots, represent malicious objects over the internet. We are able to distinguish between the two via our sophisticated machine learning, and in hours to decide whether it's malicious or legitimate, instead of days, weeks, even months, according to Gartner that I show you in the first slide. Our advantage is also to do that on encrypted links. Our strategic location, demarcation on the ISP level, enable us to be exposed to all traffic passing through the ISP and to secure multi-segments customers, Fortune 500 enterprise, small, medium business, residential, and mobile. The outcome of our solution is what you can see here. On the left side, you can see a propagation of a DNS resolving protocol, which carry a legitimate object. On the right side, the same protocol, DNS resolving, carry a malicious object, and you can see the difference between two. This is the outcome of our analysis. Part of our validation for the solution was laying our solution on published research, such as this of Deloitte. Deloitte actually indicated 2 years ago most of the selection criteria for ISPs was the speed and the data capacity, while today it is more the cybersecurity capabilities they can offer. Most of the ISPs became MSSPs, Managed Security Service Providers, $47 billion market, and you can see the top 5 list of the MSSPs, which are ISPs we all familiar with. Our go-to-market strategic plan is based on the fact that we have to penetrate to ISPs and cloud providers, and we are doing it via partners, technical and business partners. We are using 2 business models, which is the shared revenues and the subscription. We already launched our go-to-market, of course, and we already engaged with several partners. We have Israeli leading ISP, NetVision. We have Gilat at their point of presence in Gilat, and we are about to start 2 strategic pilots with Variant at US and CHT Security at Taiwan. In our prospects, you can see Orange with their amazing project in Africa for €3 billion on 19 countries. We are raising $1.8 million that will enable us in the coming 18 months to meet our challenges and actually to enhance our infrastructure, sales and marketing infrastructures, to penetrate more ISPs and to generate more recurring revenues. Our A team to meet all these challenges include experts from the industry and the academy. Me and Elad both arrived from ECI Telecom, a vendor of switch routers with a vast experience working with internet service providers. Rami and Asaf, both PhD, arrived from Ben Gurion University, and they're managing the laboratory of Deutsche Telekom there. They are experts on their field. Together with us, Danny, he is our VP Business Development. He arrived from several cybersecurity startups. Thank you for your time. This is my contact details.